we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So, we're checking out the DeLonghi Eletta espresso machine first, right? The ECAM 44660B model.
And comparing it to the Jura E8, yeah? Specifically, the renewed chrome version. I've heard good things about both, but they seem aimed at different users.
Let's dive in. The DeLonghi boasts a one-touch LatteCrema system, which sounds pretty fancy. You get your cappuccino, latte macchiato, all that jazz, with minimal fuss. It's all about convenience.
The Jura E8 counters with 17 programmed specialties. That's a lot of choice, from espresso doppio to a simple portion of milk foam. It's for someone who likes to experiment. It's almost overwhelming, but impressive.
It can brew 2 cups at once, which is handy when you have company. Plus, you can use either beans or ground coffee.
The Jura also focuses on maximizing flavor with its pulse extraction process, or P.E.P for short specialties. They claim it extracts maximum flavor from the coffee.
Does it really make a difference? I'm curious about that. The DeLonghi has an integrated grinder with 13 adjustable settings, so you can really dial in your grind.
Jura's got a professional aroma grinder, and they say it gives you 12.2% more aroma compared to their older grinders. That's a pretty specific claim, apparently. It sounds like Jura is prioritizing aroma and grind consistency.
It's user-friendly with a touch control panel and adjustable water, milk, and coffee quantity. Simple and straightforward.
The Jura uses a 2.8-inch color display with buttons and claims to have AI for simple handling. It learns your preferences. Plus, you can individually program coffee strength and brewing temperature.
Okay, AI in a coffee machine sounds a bit much, but I guess it helps. More customization for sure. Cleaning is also a breeze on the DeLonghi. With automatic cleaning and descaling programs, all the removable parts are dishwasher safe.
The Jura doesn't highlight dishwasher safe parts, but it does have integrated cleaning programs. I'd assume it's relatively easy to maintain, probably equally easy.
It has adjustable water, milk, and coffee quantity settings.
The Jura lets you program coffee strength, brewing temperature, and even hot water temperature with 10 coffee strength levels.
So more customization options on the Jura, it sounds like. If you're a control freak about your coffee, that's the one. It's also worth noting the DeLonghi is a renewed product, so it's been inspected and tested.
The Jura is also renewed, so you're getting a potentially significant discount on both, but with the assurance they should work like new. So both are pre-owned, but inspected to work like new. Good to know.
The DeLonghi offers a double boiler system and 15 bars of pressure.
It doesn't specify a double boiler in the Jura's description, but it's a premium machine, so it likely does. It focuses on its professional aroma grinder.
They both sound like great machines for different needs. The DeLonghi for ease of use, and the Jura for customization and aroma. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.